Bonjour et bienvenue. J'espère que tous les mots est bon. Welcome to Français Bleu. We learn French together the fun way. We will be playing a mini game together and even a quiz at the end of the video, so stay tuned. We introduced the verb avoir as to have in our last video, but it was in the present tense. Today we will look at it in the future and past tense. The future tense is very simple. All verbs, including avoir, need a lay to be put in the future tense for A levels. For the B levels, a lay isn't as important. What's the formula then? The formula is a lay in its conjugated form plus avoir in its unconjugated form. For example, je vais avoir un crayon, tu vas avoir une voiture, elles vont avoir 2 chiens. Avoir, which is to have, can also be written in the past tense. You'd be saying you had something or you have had something. Today we will be focused only on the A-level past tense. So, like aller and être, avoir too has a past participle. The past participle of avoir is eu. Formula is avoir in its conjugated form plus the past participle of avoir, which is Now for some examples. J'ai eu un chien l'année dernière, that's 1. 2. Tu as eu un crayon hier. 3. Nous avons eu 2 poulets. 4. Ils ont eu 3 chiens. Ready for today's challenge? Well, you need to go and find out the meaning of the words used in today's quiz. Stay tuned for our next video. Au revoir et à bientôt.